How to install N8N on Railway. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install N8N on Railway, a platform that makes it super easy to deploy applications to the cloud.
So to get started, Railway is great if you don't want to deal with complex server setups. First, you'll need to create a Railway account. Once you're logged in, start a new project and choose the option to deploy from a template. You can just click on this Deploy Now right here. Search for the N8N template. Railway usually has pre-made templates that lets you set up everything in just a few clicks. After selecting the N8N template, Railway will automatically handle most of the work for you, like setting up the environment and installing dependencies. You'll see a dashboard showing the status of your deployment. Once it's ready, you can get a public URL that you can use to access your N8N dashboard online. To make your project secure, make sure to set up environment variables like username and password so only you can access your workflows. Railway also allows you to connect to a custom domain and monitor your project easily. Overall, installing the N8N on Railway is one of the simplest ways to get started if you're not very technical or just want something that works out of the box with minimal setup. And that's how you install N8N on Railway.